Hi, how are you all doing? I'm Catherine from Skin Gym, and today we're talking all about cleansing your skin. Cleansing is a really important part of your routine to make sure that one, you are respecting the skin's barrier function and ultimately making sure that you've got a good base to apply your actives onto, but also making sure that you're not stripping and taking anything away from your skin. So it is an important part of your routine to get right. There's three things I would say are your basics in a good routine on your way to creating skin health, and one of them would be cleansing your skin correctly. The second would be making sure that you apply some vitamin A, because that's really what's going to generate the skin health and make sure the skin is behaving in a healthy way. And then the third thing, probably the most important, would be making sure that you've got a broad spectrum SPF onto your skin. So let's start with the basics of cleansing your skin correctly. For the first thing is, have you got SPF or makeup on your skin? If so, in the evening you need to pre-cleanse your skin first or double cleanse your skin. So the first part is to remove the SPF, the makeup from your skin, and how I would do that is using the dual action pre-cleansing oil or the cleanse off mitt. Cleanse off mitt's great if you've just got SPF on your skin or very lightweight makeup. If you've got heavier makeup on your skin, waterproof mascara, full face of makeup, you want something quick, this literally will melt everything from your skin instantly. Massage it in for a couple of seconds, melt everything away, wash it off with a flannel, a microfiber cloth, a muslin cloth or a microfiber mitt, and that will make your skin clean of makeup and sunscreen. Then you're going to go on with your cleanse. So you've got the choice with Environ of 4 cleansers. So let's talk about the difference between them so that you can make sure that you're choosing the right one for your skin. So the first one we're going to look at is the mild cleansing lotion. Mild cleansing lotion is a lightweight cream based cleanser. Still wash it off with water. I would always recommend that you wash off all of Environ cleansers with water, because it will effectively make sure that everything is off your skin. Make sure that you're removing it with lukewarm to slightly warm water rather than hot water, because we don't want to disturb the skin's barrier, which hot water can do that. In here you've got some esters, which will help to add a little bit of nourishment to the skin. So I would choose this one if your skin is slightly dry or quite normal and you just want to cleanse your skin effectively, and it's a cream milk based cleanser. So that's your mild cleansing lotion, so choose that for normal to slightly dry skins. Then also in the Skin EssentiA range you've got the low foam cleansing gel, which is more of a wash based cleanser, but there's no SLS in here, which a lot of people don't want to use in their cleansers in their washes. In here you have got some hydrolyzed oats, so it will help with the nourishment of the skin, but the biggest thing really I would say for this is really it's for clients that want to physically wash the skin. You want to feel like you've got a wash rather than a cream. I think some of it's psychological, but that's absolutely fine. I just wouldn't choose this if your skin is slightly on the dry side. I would say there's better options like the mild cleansing lotion or the one that we're going to talk about next. So that is the low foam cleansing gel. And then next we have got the Hydra Intense Cleansing Lotion, which is from the Youth EssentiA range. So this is for clients that are dry, or if you've got any inflammation in your skin, so things like eczema, if you've got acne that's very inflamed and uncomfortable, hydrating cleanser can work really well. There is ingredients in here that help to calm inflammation, and again it's got hydrolyzed oats, which will help with the barrier function of the skin. So that is for drier and inflamed skins. And then last but not least you have got Sebu-Wash, which is our wash for breakout prone skins or oily skins. In here you've got salicylic acid, and you've got an ingredient that helps to control oil in the skin. So this is again a wash based cleanser, and the salicylic acid will help to dissolve any buildup of oil, dirt, debris, dead skin cells in the skin. Wash off with your mitt or with a flannel or with a microfiber mitt. And then once you've done that, you can go on with your actives and you'll have a good base. A couple of other things when you're cleansing your skin, you want to really massage it into your skin, so you don't just apply it and then wash it off. You want to make sure that you let the ingredients touch the skin, work it into the skin. 30 to 60 seconds. 60 seconds is a long time, but maybe time it next time and then you get an idea of how long you actually massage it into your skin. And as I said, try to avoid too hot water. So ideally I wouldn't wash your skin in the shower, because you probably have the shower slightly hotter than what would be the ideal for your skin. So that is your cleansing steps. If you've got any questions, as always, let me know. We're always happy to chat through and give you any advice. We are offering online video consultations, so if you are wanting to start your journey with Environ, or maybe you're already using but you need some more extra advice, then get in touch. Take care, bye.